I hope you well. So today I'm now going to create a circuit connection in Node.js. So let's go start. Now I'm going to the folder directory. I'm just going to this. Here is already have a circuit connection folder. So today I'm going to show the functional circuit connection on Node.js. So just open here a terminal and create a package.json file using terminal npminit and just enter. So I have already created a circuit connection and now I am install express package here. So npm I express, just enter here. After that, I'm just open this project on code, VS Code. So I create a new file, new server file like server.js. That is my server file. This is the word file. Okay. So here I will just require express from the package. So constant express express equal require from express. Okay, so now I need to uh, constant. I need to define the constant http from require http. Okay, so now I'm just uh, define a constant app constant from the from express and for the course issue just define the users and CRS. So for the course need to define the need to require the course library from the node module. So constant course require, sorry, require source course. Okay, so now I'm just create a server. I need to require socket IO. So socket IO require from socket dot IO. So for this, I need to install the socket IO. So I'm just going to the terminal and open npm I socket npm I socket.io. So successfully installed, and now I'm going to create the server constant server equal http, then create server, and here is the f. Now I'm going to configure the socket connection IO equal to socket dot IO, then server, then here need to configuration the course policy like origin we can set the static origin. First time I'll just set the wall cross origin allow uh, using star sign. Okay, methods. I'm just define some methods here. The get post put etc. If need any others method, you can define here. So if you need to add through the credentials, so you can add the credential credential true. Okay, no need to the comma sign for the last params, and here I can set the connection io dot one connection connection on socket and here I can console like this. Um, console.log by socket connected. Okay, and socket when it will be disconnected, I will console another disconnect and I will print another error or console.log socket is disconnected. Okay, so socket is disconnected. Now we need to run our server dot listen. Now I need to define port just 3000 and 0.0.0.0. What you can define your IP address. So I'm just console server is running. Server is running. Dot 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 dot. Okay, so now I'm going to this run. I'm going to the terminal and run node server.js. Server is running. So if I trying to access from the, you can try, you can check the connection from online using different tools like you can search socket uh, socket online test, but it will be working for the real project, no, not localhost. So how can you test the localhost project? You can go to the Google Chrome extension and you can search the fire. Uh, Here is my another extension. You can search from here the fire camp from Google fire camp. You can install this extension on your Chrome browser. I have already installed. So I'm just create another tab and my application server is running localhost clone 3000. So I'm just copy and paste here. just trying to connect, and here you can see the successfully connected and connection ID is something a string, and here is the socket connected successfully. And if we going to the server terminal, then we can see the socket is connected. If we disconnect from here, this server is disconnected, this socket is disconnected, and now you can uh, see a console in the terminal. Socket is disconnected. So uh, in the next video I'll show how can you make it the functionally. So thank you for this watching this video.